At the Technical University of Munich, there are actually a lot of different study programs that you can study without any German language skills. However, it's a bit hard to find them. So if you go to the website, so Studies, Degree Programs, and then click on See Overview, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you can see an overview of all of the different study programs. However, if you then click on Narrow Results, you can apply filters. And in these filters, you can see there are different options for required language proficiency. So this is a good thing. However, there's a problem with that, because if you click on German or English, it is obvious. You'll be shown programs that you can study with German or English, or maybe a mix of them. So this is good for you. If you only want to study English programs, this works. However, if you click on Required Language Proficiency English, then it will show you a list of all of the programs that require English proficiency. But that doesn't mean that they only need English proficiency. You see, if you click on just the first thing, basically, it will already show you the required language proficiency is English, but also German. So this means it will show you not only the programs that only require English, but every program that requires English. So what you in theory could do is go through the whole list and click on every single link, then read through, okay, which language proficiency do they require? So for example, in this case, if it would load, now it loads, they require only English. And you could do that for every single degree program, or easier, I did it for you. I put it all in my completely free studying at TUM guide that you can download just by clicking on the link in the video description. And I took some screenshots that you can screenshot now. So take a screenshot of my screenshots. I hope this was helpful. Check out the guide in the video description. See you in the next one.